Why do I have now or never by 3 days grace stick in my head? Well, anyways, I had gotten back from my friend's place on Tuesday morning, but I had slightly gotten sick. My throat was sore, I was coughing, I was just feeling meh. But now I only have a slight cough. I'll probably be better by tomorrow. I'm trying to make petals for for the flowers. I say flowers, but I only have one flower on it. I'm still working on these coasters. This is my third set. My aunt's birthday's coming up, so I'm trying to finish this for her. I'm tired though. I need to go to bed.